modern kid. You get to. Oh!
जाओ अब हाँ
Recently learned about a new fun game called disc golf. Disc golf is played like traditional golf, but with discs instead of balls and clubs. One throw is counted each time the disc is thrown. The goal is to play each hole in the fewest strokes possible. The player with the lowest total strokes for the entire course wins. The hole is completed when the disc comes to rest in a disc golf basket.
and we don't know about this game, so I was asking how this is played.
I can show it to you.
Yes, please.
So,
They were saying that how it does not collide with the trees and all those things they were
well, yeah,
asking.
there's a lot of trees, so I'll probably hit a tree. But yeah, I can throw a shot.
Please, please, please.
Sure.
See, so much collection of this
Yeah,
thing.
they all they do different. They fly differently.
Okay.
Some will go this way, some will go that way.
Can I make a recording?
But I'm probably gonna hit that tree though.
that's good. At least we will come to know what exactly this is.
I'm trying to go through that gap on the right and over the river.
Okay.
So I'll probably end up doing that.
Wow. Awesome.
Now I have to go find it.
If we find, we will return you.
All right.
Thank you so much. Good
Oh,
day.
No problem. Have a good day.
Good day.
Bye.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all.